Shed presets is part of your onboarding process and a very important part actually. So this is pretty much the library of different shed types your company can create. So instead of creating every single project from scratch, you can have those templates to speed up the design. If you want a machinery shed or a hay shed or a storage shed or a skillion roof storage shed. So Shedmate can assist you in creating the different types of projects that you sell the most to your customers. So once they come into your office, you have some templates to start with the design and gain time. So let's learn how we can actually set them up. So just jump here to your shed presets, and then this page is gonna open with a few templates, or maybe none if it's the first time you're using the system. So all you want to do is click on new. And for this one here, I want to create a specific machinery shed. So I'm just gonna put here machinery shed, and then I could type the size information, but I'll just leave it to auto generate the description for now. I'll just hit save, and then from here I can start making my modifications. So let's say that I want a 9 by 15 meters long. I want to change a bit of the base sizes. I'm gonna allow up to 7 meters here. I'm gonna go a bit long, so in this case I'm using 3, and then I want to add some roller doors here. So I'm gonna add some roller doors and maybe a PA door on the sides, and I might add some skylights to this one and just make this a little bit higher, 4.2, and this is gonna be a 3.2 meters wide, and I can just I could just add it similar and apply for all of the current walls. So all of the walls now are 3.2, and all right, that's it. That's the shed I want. So now I can save that preset, and I can name it machinery shed. Just hit save. That's it, done. So now I have that machinery shed already designed, and then if I want to create a new project from scratch, what I'm going to do is jump to draft, create a new draft, and I'll just put here simple machinery shed, and that's going to be Melbourne. Just hit save, and now once I go to my designer, Shedmate now, because I don't have any design, is going to show me different options there to start that project. So I could just select that machinery shed to start with, and then that shed design that I've done in the past is going to be showed here. So here I can modify the sizes, I can modify a few items, but it gives me something to work with. If I want to make any modifications, all I have to do is go back to my shed presets, and then I could come here and edit in the editor. I could edit just the name and the description. I could duplicate this. If I want a machinery shed, for instance, that's Killian machinery shed. I'm just gonna hit save, and then I can open that one and just change the roof here to single slope. I'm gonna leave these two skylights. That's fine. Just save that preset as the Killian machinery shed. So now when I go back there, I have my machinery shed and my Killian machinery shed, and then I can do the same for structural steel. I can change the frames to actually speed up my engineering analysis. For instance, if I want to use universal beams or cold formed, I can create just a Killian verandas, open sheds, storage sheds, you name it. So you can here create your own list of shed types that you want to start with. And a good way to do it is actually by duplicating them. So I could just use this one and duplicate, for instance, and then put another name, go there, make modifications to that shed, and save it. That's how you do it. And now it's your turn. Just open the system and start creating at least 5 or 10 of the main types of different sheds you can sell to your customers. And that's gonna be the starting point. Once they come into your office or you want to start a design, you have half of the job already created, so you can just tidy it up, change the sizes, the settings, and what items you want to add, and then you have your design ready.